Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use the mini edge SDI to control a PTZ. If we are only control one PTZ and we can connect the PTZ directly to the edge via an Ethernet cable. And if we are controlling multiple units, and we can connect both the PTZ and the edge to the same switch or router. And now I connect the one network cable to the LAN port. And next we will set the IP address. And we can see the edge's default IP address is 5.1898, and we need to confirm that the PTZ's IP address is on network segment 5. If not, and we need to reset it. And alternatively, if we don't want to change the PTZ's IP address, and we can simply change the edge's IP address in the IP setting. Just make sure the edge and PTZ are on the same network segment. And since I'm connecting the PTZ and the edge to the same router, and I have set both the edge and the PTZ to automatically obtain an IP address. And go to settings and select the network and enable DHCP. And after a moment, the IP address will be displayed, will be changed. It is on the network segment 110, and the PTZ is also on this network segment. And then return to the PTZ settings. And we can see from here we can set control a total of 5 PTZ units. 4 of these channels are controlling via IP car protocol, and I currently have 2 PTZ signal connected, HDMI 2 and HDMI 3. And select the corresponding input signals, and we can manually set the IP address here. And we can see the shortcut buttons below will light blue and act as a numerical keypad. Or we can use the search button and then next to it to search for the IP address within the same network segment. Press the HDMI 2 again. And once correct IP address is selected, on this one is 7. Okay, and press the menu to return. And it is the IP car protocol number, and which can be modified. And the default is 1259. And then we can use the joystick to control the PTZ positions. And zoom. And focus. And the PTZ's movement speed is set here. And a maximum of 17 and a minimum of 1. Then press the enter to change. And it is the button for autofocus. And then we can set the previews for 4 PTZ channels here. V1 before it. Set to YUY2 to the light. Set the view3 to the door. Other camera mode. And once set, and we can tap the things here. Also, and we can replace the things to focus on to the other light here. Or we also can delete the preview. And the same settings are applying to the other PTZs. So now I set the HDMI 3 IP address here. Search it. Okay, and after the edge communications with the PTZ's IP address, the PTZ's teddy light will also change accordingly. And now I'm now aiming at one PTZ's teddy light. The PTZ 2 is focused. Okay, and come back, and we can see now its camera is HDMI 3. And because the HDMI 3 camera is not in the PST and program, so the teddy light is no light. So now I choose the HDMI 3 in the preview, and you can see the teddy light is the green. And when the screen switch to the program, and the teddy light turns red here. Now it's green and red here. And there is also a second way to control the PTZ. Switch to PC and connect the PC via Internet cable to the same router as the edge and PTZ. And set the network and the Internet settings. We can set the obtained IP address automatically, or set the IP address manually. It be not let, it will be set the send network segment 110 here, and this number is now the other different. And the default get read, the last number is must be 1. Okay. And open the browser. And enter the edge's IP address. And the latest is the mini edge SDI web app interface. It click the PTZ, and we can also manually change the IP address here. Also search for it here, and change the IP with car port here. And we can also control the PTZ's position. And control the zoom. and focus. And set the speed movement. And we can also call and save the scenes. Okay, and that concludes my introduction to PTZ control, and I will provide mode operation instructions later. Bye.